how do you change the Ryobi Multi Tool blade. There's a screw here. You take this off and then you can put this one in. So let's unscrew it. There you go. This comes out and your blade flips out. You can put a new one in. This will go like this. If you're going to do an angle cut, you can put in that direction. It must be locked in one of these. So these are locks, so it doesn't move. And then if you're going to work in this direction or a different direction, you can put it like that. So I'll put here, then this goes on top of it, and then we will tight it. So when it goes close, you'll have to make sure it's still locked because this one moved. So, and then this goes, so I'll hold it like this, just making sure it doesn't move.